And in this series we'll be covering the salvage and the cleaning up of an Emco Compact 5 CNC lathe. Like most, it's from school. Like most, it was used only a little bit before interest waned and the people who knew how to use it moved on. This one was put away dirty and it's been in a cupboard for at least 15 years, possibly 20. The oil's now grease and the grease has turned to soap. It's used only for wood, plastic and aluminium, I think, so it should actually clean up quite well. There's no visible signs of wear, and from the looks of things it's never had a crash. The key was lost, but I'll show you how to get around that without breaking the lock. Now I've got it jacked up on some pieces of wood so that I can get underneath. The lack of room under the bed's also a pain for cleaning or adjusting the saddle, so I might have a look at making some riser blocks. So thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want to get news of updates, and look out for my next video about fixing the key lock. Cheers.